Can AI agents for small business really replace an entire team? You've seen the headlines, but the reality is more nuanced. While some claim AI can replace 5 employees overnight, the truth lies in the 5% of projects that actually deliver measurable returns. Today, we're separating the market hype from the real-world ROI. The AI agent market is exploding, projected to reach over $90 billion by 2032. Yet experts predict that 40% of these projects will be canceled by 2027. Why the gap? Because many businesses deploy them wrong. AI agents aren't magic, and they aren't just overpriced chatbots. Success comes to those who use them for specific, measured use cases. What separates the winners? The pattern is clear: narrow agents for narrow problems. Data shows that buying proven, specialized agents from vendors succeeds twice as often as trying to build complex tools internally. For a small business, this means don't start from scratch. Buy a tool that does one thing, like customer support or lead qualification, and do it well. Look at Klarna. Their AI assistant handled 2/3 of their customer service chats in its first month, doing the work of 700 full-time agents and saving $40 million. But there's a lesson here too. They later rehired humans to ensure quality. The durable win is using AI to avoid hiring during growth, not just replacing everyone. The cost reality? AI agents range from $150 to $3,000 a month. But for a typical small business, an agent can save 15 to 20 hours of manual work per week. If you pay $500 a month to save 60 hours of work, you're looking at a 3x return in the very first month. That's productivity gains of up to 72%. So should you invest? Yes, if you follow the pattern. Pick one high-volume, repetitive task. Buy a proven agent. Measure one clear metric, like response time or hours saved. Don't automate everything at once. Automate what matters. Ready to join the 47% of small businesses already winning with AI? Start small, start narrow, and start today.